Record! Oh, what did I do? Oh. So between last time and this time, as in before I started recording today, I wandered around and got 6 gold bolts using a guide because I'm cheating scum. But I don't care. So apparently I can buy a hydro pack, but I'll do that later. We're gonna play the game for now. Whoosh! Here comes more whooshes, 3 of them. Whoosh. 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 Gamlick base. And this session, boy, are we going to have a skill upgrade. No, girl, we're going to have a skill upgrade. Because no one cares about boy. Oi, where are the other boxes? Bloody not respawning. I should probably save it actually, since I got the gold bolts. What a way to start the stream. Oh, I guess it auto-saved actually. Oops, oops, it already saved, leave it alone. Hop! Oh. Floating in.
Those pulsing powers control the force fields. In order to knock them all out, you're going to need the Gadgetron Devastator or the Visible.
So basically, you need some DLC to be able to continue the game. That's what it would be like in real life. She said something did something, I guess it's that thing. Yeah. Wog! 1 rocket and the whole thing tumbles down, there's not even any bolts. Everything that you destroy is supposed to drop bolts, that's not very fair. That makes me want to stop playing right now. No, it doesn't. Hey look! Things that might be cute. I don't know, they don't seem to have any eyes, but I guess they're wearing a mask. Somebody stop me. And all that. It's been forever since I've seen The Mask. What a crap movie. No, I don't know. It was Jim Carrey, so I didn't care much. He's obnoxious. Well, I'm glad you're happy. It's certainly a game worth loving. I just hope you didn't come here looking for a skill player, because evidently I've been pretty crap at this so far, at times anyway. Either that or it's just brutal. Ah. No, never mind, I'm skill. Look at those reactions. Yeah. I broke a box through the wall. Oh, holy shit. Oh my god. Are you gonna kill me? Ow. How do I get in then? Probably another tower. Yeah, like right there. It's the explosion sound. That's the explosion sound. Ever since Tomb Raider, with all the exploding enemies. So every game I make from now on... Ah! Green puffs! They might be yellow. I think we know what you need, because you can't aim up. Oh, don't tell me it doesn't work. What's the point? You can blow up a whole freaking tower, but you can't blow up a... nice arse. You can't blow up a nice arse. That would be not fair. You need those nice arses. Oh, here we go again. Put this in dead space. It would be more suiting. No, that needs to go there. So that can only go there. Wait. Ah. Woob. Woobin. Wobbert. No. He deserves no place in anyone's commentary. Ow! Ow! Yep. Just as I warned. Crap at this game. Ah! If I couldn't hit you, you can't hit me. Oh, fuck. Yeah, it's this game. The one with no frickin' checkpoints. No, there are checkpoints. What do you mean, who's Wobbert? Are you not a Virus Bloke fan? It's Wob. Wobbert Knob. The owner of Wobland, which doesn't exist in real life. Oh, well, he wasn't in the first one, but he was in the second one, which I of course did a playthrough of, but I guess it's good if you didn't watch that then, because that means no spoilers for you. Oh, the game's coming out soon! It'll feel so good to see it on shelves. Oh wait, it's free. As long as EA don't buy me and make me remake the game or something and put microtransactions in it. Okay, stop going on about that. Right, we made it further. I'm going to finish it whenever I can. Whoop. Whoop. Oh. There we go. Oh. This game can't stop me. Oh, ow. That was slightly painful. So was that. That's alright. I was probably supposed to do it some other way. But I was, yeah, go down here. I was determined. Oh! Probably help if I wasn't colourblind. I could have seen it was the wrong colour to hit. Puffs. Oof. No, grab that edge, thank you. I knew you could do it. Up the butt. No, I'm gonna die, and I'm gonna have to go back to the... Oh, start again, aren't I? It's at the start. I'm at the start. So basically, the whole stream so far has been a waste of footage. Klonoa's mouldy. His ears would get in the way. Oh, why am I even bothering? I'm out of here. Ugh! Oh, I forgot. Somehow, even though he was right there in front of me, being all massive and stuff. So this stream's going well. I might play some Sly Cooper games if any of them are on the PlayStation 2. But I don't know, because they seem to be stealthy. But then it's third person, and I usually only hate stealth in first person. Oh, it's good. Every time you play it, you learn. I'm here with more health this time. There's nothing wrong with the game having difficulty. Oh, yeah. Ow! What was that? I didn't know. Word of advice. If you don't know what something is, throw your wrench first. Where's the tower? Is that it? Hello? Oh, wrong gun. I don't think that is the tower. Oh, there's the tower. The tower! Oi, say it properly! The tower! Where's... Ow! Oh, this game is such a difficult... Ow! Oh wait, it's a dude. I didn't notice it was a... Bollocks! I thought it was some kind of... Oh... I thought it was some kind of something I couldn't destroy. This game's getting more and more annoying as I get further. God, I want the fire! Anyway, yeah. That whole tower business is from a game yet to be released. And that bit I quoted was mostly voiced by Ewan. Not him. Oh! Stop leaping into oblivion. It's worse than a NES game. I wouldn't wish this upon anyone. What a crap game this is. No. No, we lost contact like a long time ago. Oh. Probably around 6 years ago or something was the last time we spoke.